Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I had a special request from Karen for a Portuguese knitting pin. It's used to hold the wool while you are knitting, and what you're going to need for this project is 20 gauge artistic wire. I have a file, I have my tools, and some beads. We'll take about 12 inches of 20 gauge artistic wire and fold it in half. And then we're just going to pinch it closed, get our flat nose pliers just to pinch it right in there, and then get our round pliers to bend the tip up a little bit and get some larger round nose pliers to bring it around to form a hook. So that's our basic hook, and then hold it with the flat pliers and bring the wire down and around a couple of times. That'll form the clasp. Once we've created the hook, we could add any beads we like. I have a 6mm miracle bead and then some 4mm beads and a ladybug bead. So we're just going to add those beads on there, push them right down, and then at the top we make a little loop with our round nose pliers. It's the sort of hinge thing at the top, so we're going to bring it all the way around a full turn and trying to get those beads in there so they're snug. So make sure the wire is flush against the beads and bring it right around to the other side, and we're going to angle it down on the other side. You could make that distance as wide or as narrow as you want, and then we go to the other wire to make our hook. And we don't want a little scratchy end on the hook, so I'm going to bring it around again with the round pliers and make a tiny little loop, pull it to make it even smaller. It's just so we don't have a raw end of the wire. We'll clip it flush. These are the Xuron flush cutters, and get our flat pliers to pinch it in so it's closed. So that's our little hook. And we can adjust that hook to close it up. So from there, you'll see the hook is pointing out. That will hold the wool, and then we need to form a pin. So we're going to clip that on an angle and get our file. It's easier if you take it out of the hook to file it. And we're just going to give it a good little file. Sometimes it's easier to put the file on the table and just run the wire along it because we want it nice and sharp. And then we're going to close that up. Once it's complete, you can pin it onto your shirt. You loop in the wool, and I'll link up some videos on how to use it for Portuguese knitting. You can also use this type of pin to dangle on a charm just to wear as a brooch. And I will link up the tutorial on how to make that cute little kitty with the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.